Welcome back to Little Bites Kitchen. If you're a mom, dad, or caregiver looking for simple and healthy baby meals, don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. It really helps me create more content for you. Let's start today's 9-month baby meal. Plan with a creamy oatmeal breakfast. Breakfast: oatmeal with banana and yogurt. Cook 20 grams of oats in 80 milliliters of water or formula until soft. Once you switch off the flame, stir in a little peanut butter. This adds healthy fats and keeps your baby full for longer. Now take half a banana, cut it into 4 long pieces, and serve them as finger food. Babies at this age love exploring different textures and self-feeding. So this step helps with fine motor skills. Next, add 40 grams of Greek yogurt in a separate section. This gives your baby calcium, probiotics, and cool creaminess to balance the warm oats. This breakfast is rich in fiber, potassium, gentle carbs, and gut-friendly probiotics, a perfect start to the day. Morning snack: mashed avocado. A few hours later, offer a light morning snack. Today we're giving 30 grams of mashed avocado. Avocado is full of healthy fats, vitamin E, and creamy texture that babies find very easy to eat. It supports brain development, improves skin health, and keeps your baby satisfied without being too heavy. If these recipes are helpful so far, don't forget to like this video. It helps more parents find Little Bites Kitchen. Moving on to lunch, we're making minced beef and pumpkin mash. This is a wonderful iron-rich meal that supports growth and energy. Take 25 grams of finely minced lean beef and cook it with 10 grams of minced onion until everything becomes soft. Beef is one of the best sources of iron and protein for babies, so including it a few times per week is very beneficial. Next, steam 40 grams of chopped pumpkin separately until it becomes tender and easily mashable. Pumpkin brings natural sweetness, gentle fiber, and a beautiful dose of vitamin A, great for eyesight and immunity. Now combine the beef, onion, and pumpkin together and mash lightly. Finish with 5 milliliters of olive oil to provide healthy fats that help your baby absorb nutrients better. This meal is smooth, flavorful, and perfectly suited for a 9-month-old who is learning to enjoy different tastes. For the evening snack, we're keeping it simple and nutritious. Take 40 grams of plain yogurt and mix it with 10 grams of mashed soaked dates. Dates add natural sweetness, iron, and gentle energy without using any sugar. This snack is soothing, easy to digest, and a great option before dinner time. For dinner, we're preparing chickpea and carrot mash, a protein-rich and fiber-rich option to close the day. Start by boiling 30 grams of carrot until very soft. Then peel 25 grams of cooked chickpeas. Blend or mash the chickpeas and carrots together to create a creamy, smooth consistency. Now add 5 milliliters of olive oil to give your baby healthy fats for digestion and brain development. If the mash becomes too thick, add a spoon of warm water to soften the texture. This dinner is full of vitamin A, protein, fiber, and gentle carbohydrates, perfect for a calm evening meal. Extra oatmeal can stay fresh in the fridge for up to 2 days. Lunch and dinner leftovers can be refrigerated for 48 hours or frozen for up to 1 month. Always reheat baby food gently, and check the temperature before serving. Thank you so much for watching Little Bites Kitchen. If you found this full-day 9-month baby meal plan helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your support helps me continue creating simple and healthy baby recipes for parents all around the world. See you in the next video.